ano naman yung maipapayo mo sa mga kababaihan na gusto o takot na ipursu ang mga pangarap nila?
I think that the Lord created women. Sila yung pinakamagandang, no bias to men, but women are actually the most beautiful creation that the Lord created. Why? We are the most resilient creation that the Lord created. Sobrang resilient na mga babae. Kahit saan mo itapon yan, kahit anong problema ang ibigay mo dyan, they will be broken, they'll fall down, they'll stand, pick themselves up, and then fight again. Mapapagod pero hindi titigil.
Matyaga.
Magpapahinga na. So if you have a dream or a goal, and you're feeling stuck right now dun sa goal mo, my only advice is that rest, pause for a while, and then go on, move forward. So, there will be blockages, there will be challenges. Kasi ganun kapag may pangarap ka, there's just two ways. Easy way, which is the illegal way, or the difficult way, which is more fulfilling. So, sabi nga nila, there will be stones thrown at you, you will be ridiculed, you will have a lot of judgment, sometimes from your own family, but don't let that hinder you or stop you from reaching your goal. Kasi ultimately, the prize is there. It's for you. It's waiting for you. So, ako, one day at a time na. I have like a horse. Di ba yung mga kabayo may ganun?
Kailangan diretso lang.
So, my focus, if I want to achieve something, my eyes is always on my goal. I have a vision board at home that I look at to remind me. Kasi, pwede tayong ma-sidetrack Diba? Pag may mga pangarap tayo, minsan we get lost. We meet different people, nagbabago. But then, if you have a vision board, you get reminded every time.
Kailan mo ginawa yung vision board?
I've always believed in vision board. Kahit nung dalaga pa ako. So, wala lang dun sa vision board ko yung maging queen ako, pero somehow it happened. So, maybe it's a step to my ultimate goal. So, yun. So, focus ka lang dun sa goal mo and...
Bali, in-update mo na yung vision board mo.
Yes.
Kasi iba yung vision mo before, tama?
Yes.
Nababago siya
Nababago pa rin. Ngayon, more family-centered pa rin naman. I believe
kasi pag nakuha mo na siya, next naman.
Yes. And if it's for you, it will find you. Kahit gaano katagal, it will find you.
Because vision board, doon papasok yung law of attraction.
Yes. Manifesting.
Yes, manifesting.
So I have a notebook, a journal. I call it my manifestation journal. I write all of my dreams there. Even my hates. So, and sometimes magugulat ka na lang, teka, pangarap ko lang to last time. Now I have it on my hands.
Ginagawa ko rin yan.
So, just believe in the power of optimism. Because if it is meant for you, all of the universe will conspire to give that to you. Kahit saan ka pa mapunta, kahit ano pang mangyari sa buhay mo, it will go and find you. Kasi it's meant for you.
Parang ako, Miss John, hindi naman ako parang hindi ko akalain magiging owner ako. Pero, dito ako dinala ni God. Pero, nasa vision ko na gusto ko yumaman.
Yun lang yun You don't really know how to get there. But, if it's for you, magugulat ka na lang the steps that you're taking is actually leading you to that direction. Also, mayaman ka na.
Baka na kailan?
Hindi, wala.
Bago?
Malay mo ako. Vision board ko is, when I was younger, I want to have a happy marriage. Namingwit ko lang poging asawa. Pero hindi happy marriage. So baka yung next pogi na tas happy pa. Charot.
Kasi pero nung dalaga ka, nagkaroon ka ba ng negotiable and non-negotiable? Na parang sa husband mo?
Marupok
Marupok. Ayun. Kaya ano yung maipapayo mo sa mga taong marupok?
I know it's not easy. Kasi
Di ba? Kasi di ba meron tayong gusto, pero dahil nga marupok, di ba?
Pero this is what I learned. Kahit gustuhin mo yan, I think, si Lord na mismo gagawa ng paraan. Sasaktan at sasaktan ka niya ng paulit-ulit. Kahit gana mo pa yan mahalin, nurture, alagaan. Sasaktan at sasaktan ka niya ng paulit-ulit para magising ka. So, ganun. I'm not saying that I don't love my husband. I love him still. Pero wala na din sa ganung level. Just because he is the father of my children. Yung ganun. Minsan you have to really go through fire and hell for you to be a diamond.
Tsaka may lesson bawat struggles.
Ganun yun. You're being molded into beautiful sparkling diamond.
Yes.
So, dati bato lang ako eh. Kaya lang, I went through the furnace and fire. Kaya ito, diamond.
Now, you're a diamond.